Hi, third grade. I'm here just to show you how you can utilize a designated support for equivalent fractions, which is coming up. All of you should be in your fraction unit right now. This is an allowable support on STAR. The only thing is you'll need to just white this out, cover it up when you're making your copies. Other than that, and of course it's blank, and then you will have to train your students to fill this out. And filling this out, it's just going to help their understanding of fractions as well. So that's a win-win. So I want to show you how you can use two little unit cubes from your base 10 basically as markers to see whether or not two fractions are equivalent. Okay, so an example is if I want to know, let's say if I wanted to know if 1/3, and once again, you're going to train them to put it at the very end of the fraction piece, and 2/6, so 1, 2. If I want to know if they are equivalent or not, I can look very quickly. I can see that they both take the same amount of the fraction bar of the whole. I can also see that they line up perfectly. And so that's a very quick way for them to conceptually understand that these two fractions are equivalent. If I wanted to compare it to 2/4, I could very quickly see that they are not equivalent. This one is longer, therefore it's a bigger piece than the 1/3. And these are allowed as well. These are base 10 blocks are allowed as a designated support. So if you don't need your students to have a full base 10 set, if they don't need that as a support, just put two of these in here. It also doubles as a cube for a 3D shape, since y'all do 3D shapes, so they could look at the faces, edges, and vertices of that as well. So anyways, I hope this is helpful. And really and truly, this is just sitting down and showing them how they can apply this support with a STAR question on equivalent fractions and see how they can make the connection. But once again, we want to build that conceptual understanding, them to see it visually. This would definitely be the best method for those babies who are struggling to understand if they are equivalent or not. All right, I hope this is a helpful video. Talk to y'all later.